This simple and basic chicken fry is a must-try recipe for any occasion. This chicken fry is actually easy to make and stays moist, juicy, packed with all blended spices which we're gonna add in this. Unique part of this dish is that it can be had as a starter, as an appetizer, or as a side dish for rice or roti. In this recipe, we'll see a perfect balance of spice and tenderness in the chicken. So let's get started. The first step is to marinate the chicken pieces. Here I've taken about 1 kg of chicken with bone. Always the chicken with bone tastes better whenever we are trying fry recipes. Here I have washed and thoroughly cleaned the chicken pieces, and all the pieces are about medium sized. For the marination, add pink salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives a distinct flavor and color to the recipe. Then ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Make sure you're massaging and mixing the chicken pieces with the marinade well, such that each and every piece of chicken is coated with the marinade. This step helps in enhancing the flavor and tenderizing the meat, retaining the moisture during cooking. Now let this rest for about 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes here. So let's start the cooking process. In a flat bottom pan, add about 1/3 cup of oil. After the oil is heated up, add about 2 medium sized onions. I have sliced the onions here and fry the onions till they are translucent or pinkish in color. This would take about 5 minutes on medium flame. Here, the raw smell of the onion has to go away and they have to turn translucent or pinkish brown color. It's been about 5 minutes. So the onions have turned pinkish brown color. Then add the marinated chicken pieces to the fried onions. See how beautifully the chicken pieces are coated well in the marinade here. Now toss the chicken pieces on high flame for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring so that the chicken pieces start to release the water. If you do not keep stirring continuously, because we have put it on high flame, the chicken pieces will tend to stick to the bottom of the pan. So now here we see that the water started to release from the chicken pieces. So keep stirring till all the water starts to evaporate. This takes about 8 minutes on high heat. Make sure you are lifting up the chicken pieces as shown in the video, or else you would tend to break or split the chicken pieces. Keep mixing slowly and gently till the water evaporates. Here you might see a slight color change in the chicken pieces as the water starts to evaporate from them. So here the water almost evaporated and the oil started to separate. So toss the chicken pieces on high heat for 2 minutes and it is almost 80% cooked. Now add about 3 slit green chilies, curry leaves, then mix gently for about 2 minutes on medium heat. This step helps to evaporate the remaining water if any. Now let's add few spices. Kashmiri red chili powder. This is the normal spicy red chili powder, so I've taken only about 1 tablespoon. Then coriander powder, cumin or jeera powder, chicken masala. All the spices shown here, including the turmeric powder and red chili powders, are homemade. If anybody wants to know how I've made this, do mention in the comments and I will put a video regarding this. Now mix all the masalas till the chicken pieces are coated well, and make sure you're doing this step on low heat for about 2 minutes. So see how beautifully all the spices have blended in the chicken pieces. Now add kasuri methi of about 1 teaspoon. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee on top. This will always enhance the flavor of any dish whatever you're doing. Mix everything for about 1 minute on low heat so that all the chicken pieces are coated well in the ghee. Then add handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give a quick stir and this dish is ready to be served. These sort of dishes really taste very well when we prepare them with homemade masalas or homemade spices. So do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out to be. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos and cooking recipes. Enjoy and subscribe for more.